Hi, I'm Teddy Burris, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. And I was asked this question: how can, in Google Workspace, an administrator allow users on the domain to be able to create Google groups? And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So in order to be able to create Google Groups, for the admin to be able to allow you to create Google Groups, the admin has to go to Settings and has to go to Manage. It's not going to be here. I'm going to do it from Gmail. From Gmail, go to Settings and manage this organization. From Manage the organization, then what they have to do is they have to go to Apps and go to Google Workplace, and they can go down here to Groups for Business. Now in Groups for Business, I have it turned on so all of my people can create groups. And you can see right here, it probably says that everyone can use the groups. You could create a group of users in your domain and only let specific users in the domain to be able to create groups. But it's going to start right here where I was, where under Groups for Business, Apps, Google Workspace, Settings for Groups for Business. So this has to be set up for either everyone or a group of users in the organization to be able to access it. Then sharing settings, set policies for changing group sharing settings. So you have to also check these sharing options and make sure they are set up as you want them as well, so that they work properly for groups that you create internal as well as groups that you create externally. But again, it starts right here under Apps, Group Workspace, Setting for Groups for Business. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail strategist, trainer, and coach. I hope this is helpful for you.